Checkpoint 7.11. Where is the output? So we have array list with 6 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start with the second elements, then on the last one at a time. So here we are looking at second elements. That's going to be 1 minus 1, so we are adding number 1 to here. So this is going to be 1. Then increase by 1, we are moving to third elements. Okay, that's the third elements. That's also based on that number 1, first elements, minus 1. So it's going to be 1. Increase by 1, fourth elements. Okay, fourth elements, same, 1. Then the fifth element is going to be 1. Last element will be 1. Then we are here and then here. Then let's look at the for loop. Start with the first elements until last one at a time. We print with print. Okay, depends on index 0 to last one. So basically we are printing all this include number 1. So it's going to be 6 ones. That will be output. Okay, number 1 as it is. This one gives us second element and third element, fourth and fifth, and then sixth element. So that's why it all appear to be ones. So it appear with 6 ones. That's all. Thank you.